Check out this pre-owned 2022 Ford. This four-door truck has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 130,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include towing package, auxiliary audio input, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, air filtration, front air conditioning, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.